Welcome to 35 Canal Street, townhouse style, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's see, all new flooring on this level. You have laundry over there by the folding doors. Professionally managed. 2-car parking for each unit. Right in front. Okay, let's go to this second. Level 2. Bath. Nice tile. Very clean. Exceptionally well maintained, fully applianced, stainless steel, dishwasher, the deck at the back, eat-in kitchen, living room, again all new flooring. Very spacious units. Okay, now we'll go to the third. At top of the stairs, your full bath. Again, tiled. Very well maintained. Second bedroom. Office, library, whatever your needs are. And then there's the master bedroom. There's your listing agent. Good sized closets. All right. Any questions? Call your lender, call your agent, and make an appointment. Thank you.